So is AMC stock a good stock to buy right now? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. I hope that you learned something new in this video, and it's a topic that's been asked and highly requested. So again, please make sure you smash that like button and of course consider subscribing. I know that I have a lot of beginner investors and a lot of beginner traders. Anytime that I talk about trading, it rubs investors the wrong way. Anytime that I talk about, investing, it rubs somewhat day traders the wrong way. With that being said, you need to understand that everyone has different goals. Your goals don't have to align with someone else's goal. Everyone also tolerates risk in a different way. So please understand that. I'm going to share 3 things with you. This is my opinion, and again, feel free to share yours in the comment section. If anyone ever, not just with AMC stock, ever tries to convince you that you should invest in a specific company for whatever reason, AMC and GME, they try to say because it's for the movement or the squeeze is about to happen, the shorts have to cover. Fine, whatever it is that they say to try to convince you. First off, that should be a huge red flag. You should never have to be convinced. You can see any video where I've ever taken a loss and or where I ever came out on top and made profit. With that being said, I will never ever encourage other people to follow in my footsteps. I don't need to. I don't need you to copy my trades for me to experience success. So the question that you should ask yourself is, as soon as they begin to ask you and tell you you should invest, you should hold, you should then begin to question why. Ask them one simple question. Show me a video of exactly how much you're up or down right now and your position size. I can promise you 90% of them will not show you anything. They won't want to. Why? Well, if you look at AMC for the past year, it peaked at $72. And being honest, that's where most of the volume is. And that's probably where most of them are still bag holding from. So it's not that they want AMC to skyrocket or that they want GME to skyrocket. It's that they need to. They need other people to jump and hold in hopes that the market does begin to recover. So it's up to you, right? Do you want to put your money at risk for other people? If that's something that you're okay with doing, again, it's your hard-earned money. You're an adult. Decide to do what you want with it. So as an investment, does it make sense to buy and hold? Heck no. It's so clear. Look at it for the past year. If this were to be an investment opportunity that were to be presented to you, is this something that you would want to take advantage of? No. It's not rocket science. It's very easy to see that direction is not in your favor. And these short-lived rallies are something that don't last. So locking in profits or selling early should never be a bad thing when trading riskier stocks. But what about day traders? What if AMC is at $20 today? What if it's at $100 tomorrow? What about day traders, right? Does it make sense to day trade AMC? 2 factors that I like to pay attention to: direction and momentum. Is it still increasing with the same momentum that it was before? If it is, then yes, in my opinion, it does make sense to day trade. It makes sense that as long as the direction is in your favor, 100%, there's opportunity to be made. I don't need my investor viewers to agree with that. It's simple price action. I don't care about the indicators. I don't care about how overbought something is. When it's based off of momentum and price action, that's all that matters. Is the direction in my favor? And if so, are we still experiencing that same momentum? But once we begin to peak or once we begin to experience that resistance, then that is your job to lock in profits. You better be good at locking in profits, and you better be even better at managing risk. It's that simple. This is a very high risk, high reward type of stock. We've seen it time and time again. So again, a very simple message for all of you that are asking that question. It's all about asking yourself, what is your intention? Is your intention, are you okay with day trading AMC? Are you okay with locking in profits? Are you okay with cutting losses if things go south? Things that you will have to ask yourself. It's not the difficult questions that you want to avoid, especially when entering a riskier trade. As you can see, even in just the past couple of minutes, it has gapped up to 10% on the day. There is no question that there is money to be made on these momentum plays. But there is also no question that this is not something that you want to get caught bag holding. It's very easy for them to speak right now as the stock is bullish. But it's when the stock sells off that there's complete silence. Ask anytime anyone ever tells you, hey, you should buy and hold this. Tell them to show you their position, not just the picture, not just the previous screenshot right now. Show me a screenshot, a video of what you're up or down right now, and why do you want me to hold it so much? 90%, promise you, will not do it because they're down on their position. It's that simple. So ask yourself, you're here to trade for yourself, most likely, right? You're not here to make money for other people. You're here to make money for yourself. So do just that. If you see an opportunity, it's your job to take advantage of it if you can tolerate the risk that it comes at. And that's it. If you think that AMC is too risky, we have a bunch of our Learn Plan Profit members that will never touch AMC stock because the risk tolerance that it requires is too much. And that's okay, right? Just like other people think that investing in Tesla is too slow. But in the past, couple of days, Tesla has gapped up 38%. To each their own. There's so many different ways on how to make money in this market. Just find yours. Just make sure you do it with a proper plan, not with someone else's opinion down your throat. I think that's a great way to approach it. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Again, this video is simply looking out for beginner traders. I don't want our beginner traders influenced by people that are already down in the position and bringing other people down, right? Look out for yourself. Have your best interest in mind. And I hope that you can see that this video, that's all it really is. Wishing you guys nothing but the best. Continue working hard. Continue following dreams. Let your passion be what drives your success. And again, make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel, smash that like button. And if you guys want to be able to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, click that second link down below and I'll see you at Market Open. If you guys want to join my free Discord group, again, that's that first link in the description. We have thousands of members all over the world and we'd love to stay connected. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.